Alright, here we are in studio with setup number 1. This is a dramatic 2-light setup. My fill light is a 43-inch Photech umbrella over camera, and my key light is a 5-foot octa over my subject's head. The key light will make this image dramatic, so I recommend using a fill light or a bounce reflector to fill in the shadows that will be produced. If you want to add drama to your images, this setup will give you just that. If you want to make it even more dramatic, you can remove the fill light and use your key light as an overhead spotlight. Test that out on your next shoot and let me know your thoughts. But here are the final results from this setup. Setup 2 has a dramatic flair, but with a touch of light and airy for all you natural light photographers. You can produce a natural light look in studio, especially in post-production. This is a 1-light setup with a white V-flat. I use my Photech umbrella placed slightly behind my subject's shoulder, this time raised at a high 45-degree angle to emulate sunlight. I then added a white V-flat to fill in the shadows that would be produced. Think of this setup as if you're shooting at high noon with your subject standing with their back to the sun. Here are the results. And here we are with our final setup, setup number 3. This is one of my favorite lighting setups. Have you ever seen a woman's perfume commercial and wonder how they get the subject to look like a glowing angel? Well, here you go. We're back to a 2-light setup, this time with a 6x6 scrim and a white V-flat. I used one bare bulb flash bounced into a white V-flat. I then placed another bare bulb strobe behind the scrim at full power to give a glow. You don't need a scrim to produce this look. About 4 years ago, before I had this scrim, I used a diffused shower curtain to emulate the same look. Here are the results.